Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showcasing this amazing component library that you could use for your web application, and they're providing a lot of components that you could use for free. So let's get started. So the website called Accenture UI, and if you click on components, you'll be able to see all of these components. Let me just change the mode to dark mode, and these are the components. So let's check some of them. For instance, this one is pretty cool. So if you scroll down, they have this one, and they have this one. Well, actually, I tried to use this one in one of my projects, and we will be also working on how to utilize them as well. Let's first we could navigate a little bit through it and see what other components they have. So if you click on components, you'll be able to see it from here as well. This one is a new one. I haven't seen this before. I probably use this in one of my projects. So if you click on components again, you'll be able to see all of them here. The one that I personally use in my projects was this one. So if you scroll down, you will see the animation. I love this one, to be honest. And they have more. Normally it will take so long for you to do it manually, but now you have this component library that you could just be able to just copy and paste it. And let me scroll down. I personally use this one as well for my portfolio. So let's use one of them, okay? Let's use this 3D image one. So in order to use it, first of all, we just need to copy this code. If you're using NPM, I'm using personally NPM, and I'll go to my terminal and just paste it right there. And until it's installing. Yep, it did. Now, in order to use it, we first need to create the component called 3card demo. Let me just copy it and go to my Visual Studio and go to my UI, and I'll create this component. I will call it TSX, and then I will copy this code as well. TypeScript, I'm using TypeScript. Yep, paste it right here, and that's it. So now if I want to use this, the one thing I need to do is go to my slice hero. Let me just use it in my hero section, and then before, I'm just showing here just an example. So project demo. Now let me just copy the name of this component and paste it right there. Let me just close it. Yep. Now I will add the component. That's it. So it has some issue. That's interesting. Why this happened? Let me just go to my 3 component library. For the image, let me just use another image. href link Twitter. Okay, so where is the image? Right there. So I'll use another link for this. Let me just see in my public what I have. AI chatbot, and just copy the name and paste it right there, and then call it PNG. So this will work. Yep. So if I scroll down, yep, as you see, it's very simple to use. And if you guys have any question, please feel free to write down in the comment section of this video.